Connecting your home phone with Unifone. So you'll need a phone adapter, also known as an ATA. You'll need the ATA power supply. You'll need a phone handset that you will supply, an RJ11 cable, a router, and an Ethernet cable. So you want to take your phone adapter. This is just showing you the ports. Now you want to take your power supply and you're going to plug the power supply into the power outlet. Then you're going to plug the power supply into the adapter or the ATA. So now you're going to take the Ethernet cable. This is just showing you what an Ethernet cable looks like. And you're going to plug one end of the cable into any of the ports 1 to 4 of the router. Next, you're going to plug the other end into the Ethernet port of the ATA. So you want to take your handset that you've provided, take your RJ11 cable, and then you're going to plug it into the phone 1 port of the phone adapter. You're then going to plug the other end into your handset, and that connects the adapter to the handset, and then your phone is ready to go.